Welcome to the new M315D2 series and M317D2 series, showcasing leading reliability, productivity and fuel economy to meet all of your job site needs. Now we will look at some of the key features designed into Caterpillar wheeled hydraulic excavators. The large door will provide unobstructed access when fully folded and latched. 3-point of contact to egress and ingress the cabin for maximum safety. This is even enhanced by the optimized ergonomic and ease of use and comfortable seat, leading to productive working days. A large cabin with leading 360 degrees visibility and upward skylight will provide excellent working conditions. A large door located behind the cabin gives ground access to service points, emergency engine cutoff switch, the refuel pump, cabin air filter and windshield wiper fluid bottle. It also allows access to the platform for refueling. Lots of storage space is provided in the cabin and outside with 3 toolboxes. A rear view camera provides added safety on the job site for the operator. A single door gives full access and visibility to the engine and key hydraulic components. Fuel and hydraulic filters, centralized greasing points, engine and hydraulic oil levels, belt. Key engine components are all visible and reachable by feet on the ground. Daily and weekly checks. Maintenance is simply a matter of a few minutes, leading to more productivity. Opening the cooling compartment bonnet will provide again full access to batteries, engine air filter, to the easy-to-clean cooling package and allow to check coolant level without having to step on the platform. The hydraulic system is designed for maximum versatility and efficiency while providing leading fuel economy. A rock-solid undercarriage provides strength, stability, versatility and ability to work on all terrain. Large choice of booms and sticks combination allows you to pick what meets best your need. Large working envelope, strength, and the availability of many different tools makes the machine very versatile. Quality can be seen in all areas of the machine, and details are carefully taken care of for long, uninterrupted working hours. The new M315D2 series and M317D2 series, with infinite possibilities to do more with less. With its versatility on wheels, it is the safe road to your success.